Medley of Fun. Today on the edition of Science with Medley of Fun, I am going to be trying to do a balloon experiment where you try to blow up a balloon, not with your mouth, but putting it on a bottle with baking soda and vinegar. So what you need for this is 2 ounces of vinegar, and you don't add any water, right?
No, just the vinegar.
And then half a tablespoon of baking soda. The first thing you do is you're going to pour your vinegar into your bottle, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Then you're going to put your baking soda into your balloon. And it's easy if you use a funnel. Trying to pour it in without a funnel, not that easy. Now, for the fun part, trying to get it on the bottle. So you put just the top on the bottle, and then you flip this over and put the vinegar in and see.
Move the funnel though so I can see what happens.
And
there you go.
see if it blows up.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
it's
let's
blowing
see.
up.
Move your hand.
That's so cool. And you might want to have a towel handy if anything goes wrong.
So the vinegar and the baking soda create a chemical reaction, forms carbon dioxide, and
That's so cool.
Right, the gas fills the balloon, inflates the balloon.
That is so cool. I don't know if we've ever done this experiment before. I do, science is one of my favorite subjects. I really do love science. And this is very neat. If you guys have vinegar and baking soda, a balloon, and a bottle, I would definitely try doing this. This is very cool. I'm glad this worked. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this. I definitely recommend trying this out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye!